here we have the DaYan NeZha 5x5. Oh, this is a new box design. Probably quite good, but probably get thrown away. Well, it won't get thrown away, but... Right, okay, let's have a feel. Yep, feels like a DaYan cube, very much. And let's mess it up. Oh, that feels nice. Yeah, very nice feel to it. So this is the weak magnetic version. I'm getting the stronger magnetic version at some point, but it's not available yet. So let's just solve this. Okay. So yeah, this definitely has potential. The thing is with 5x5 is that, like, no matter how good it feels, it's really down to the times. Like, I prefer my AoChuang WRM, well, previously. This is the first time trying of this, so I don't know yet whether it's better, but, like, compared to the Valk 5, it's like, the Valk 5 might actually feel nicer, but I'm not really sure. But I get better times on the AoChuang WRM, so I'm going to use that. I wonder if anybody actually cares about my 5x5 stuff that's a bit unusual. Okay. Okay, that feels really good. Basically, it just retains the feel of DaYan cubes in general. Like, it feels quite similar to a Guhong V4M, DaYan Megaminx. As a 5x5, the corner cutting doesn't actually seem as good as I expected, but it didn't seem to show in the solve. So I don't know what's up with that. But it definitely feels very nice. So I guess what I'm going to have to just do some solves on it and try and figure out whether it's any good. That's it, really. I can't just say right now. So I'll do one solve on this video, but I'm going to do it on a tournament display so that I can actually see properly.